minutes. We continue our team coverage with a look at some damage in New Orleans East. WDSU reporter Gina Swanson has that story.
Scary moments for some neighbors in New Orleans East after this morning's severe weather gave them more than they bargained for, especially when it comes to the strong winds. Take a look at this. Some neighbors believe a funnel cloud may have touched down on their block. The strong winds did down at least one power line and a fence and scattered debris all across the 6900 block of Deanne Street. We talked to neighbors who say it could have been worse.
You just saw the swirling action, and everything after that happened so fast. I was kind of ducking for cover at the same time, trying to get the word to my neighbor that his house had been hit.
I just started to hear a loud whistling kind of noise and turned to the left and just started seeing debris all flying up in the air and moving this way.
No one was hurt by the strong winds, but this does come as a blow for this community. Many say they're still recovering from Hurricane Isaac. We're on your side in New Orleans East. I'm Gina Swanson. Back to you.
And from WDSU.com's U Local section, a look at weather damage in Harvey. This photo was taken this morning at around 7 a.m. If you see weather, snap a photo for us and then upload it to WDSU.com's U Local section. We might show it right here on TV. And remember, you can stay informed with WDSU anytime, anywhere. Follow us 24/7. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and always on our website. That, of course, WDSU.com.